Let us do Parivrtta Trikonasana, the twisted triangle pose. Stand in Tadasana. Take your right leg far back, left foot away from you at 90 degrees, right foot inclined inward towards your body at about 45 degrees. Breathe in and stretch both your hands at the shoulder level. As you breathe out, twist the torso. Take your right palm towards the left foot, left hand to be pointing to the ceiling. Look up. Open the chest, breathing in and out normally. Stay for as long as it is comfortable. After a certain number of breaths, slowly rise up. As you inhale, breathe out, relax the hands and come to Tadasana. Repeat on the other side.